Are we ready? I know it's filming. Okay. Alright, let's just get straight into it. This is our Zone 5B garden update. I have a cameraman today, so I'll be able to bring you with me. Doesn't look like much is going on, but we have gotten some stuff done. So this bed's empty, this bed's empty, most of these beds are empty, but we did put up a little temporary trellis. I don't know, maybe we'll improve it for years to come, but this is what we're working with. We used the cow panel and then some T-posts. So we've got this one here, that one's for the cucumbers. This one here is for the peas, and we did just direct sow our peas, so you don't see any activity right now, but we just sowed them, so we'll see what they look like soon. Just because I feel like I want these to have a little spotlight. These are crabapple trees, and they are budding, and I think the colors are really, really pretty, so I just wanted to show you guys. And we got some more flowers to put around. So these are begonias. Obviously these are the daffodils, and they are past their prime. They are all, you know, gonna be gone soon. And then these are obviously tulips, who are almost fully open. They will be past their prime soon as well. But this is one of our little tiny garden areas. We got this really pretty hanging plant from Costco. Nice, nice. And then got some pansies here. And we found these, I think my dad dug these up at like their previous house. They're like actually really cute. These like old rusty buckets. Alright, and then over here we've got our carrots. We just direct sowed them, wetted them in, and we are using these rubber panels to keep the moisture in, just because we had extra, but you can use wood or cardboard, and we'll see how it goes. Over here we have our sad onions. Fatal flaw, I don't think we ever up-potted these into more nutrient soil. We kept them in the seedling mix, so that was our bad. So not sure how these are gonna go. These are New York Earlies. This next one over here we actually bought. Maybe they'll go a little bit better, but they're also still pretty tiny, but these are Walla Wallas. And then this row here, if you can even see anything, these tiny little green pieces are Cortland, and then these are red onions. And then you see here are some really nice ruby red onions. We did not plant these ourselves. We did not grow them from seeds. We bought them. So hopefully we'll at least get 8 good onions. Okay. And then we got some more pansies just to spice up the chicken coop a little bit. And there's actually been a lot done to the chicken coop, so we can run through that really quickly as well. So as you can see, painting has progressed, but on top of that we have finished putting their like fencing protection in, aside from the nets that need to go over the top. But so here we have deer fencing, which is stronger than chicken wire, FYI. And then down here is where we have the hardware cloth, and we have put the hardware cloth out to basically here, so that anything that tries to dig in will hit the hardware cloth, so they won't be able to. And then these, we're doing some work off the back porch and adding a lot of concrete patio area. So these are the pavers, which are also perfect because nothing's gonna be digging in. It is all the way around the coop. So this will be ready for all the chickens when they are grown and ready to get into their full-time residence. And here's their little run, and their run door is on a sunrise and sunset timer, I believe. So, and then right next to it we have our potato bed. So we've put our potato seeds in there. For those of you who don't know, you know when you get a potato from the grocery store, you leave it for too long, it starts to sprout. That's a seed potato. So we cut them up so that you have 1 to 2 seeds per chunk. planted them in, so hopefully from here we'll get like, I don't know, 150 potatoes. To keep the moisture in, we put the straw down. We'll remove that eventually. Over here, we have some of my strawberries. I've got another few planters worth of strawberries, but I got these bare roots. But you can see they're doing pretty well. So I don't think they're gonna fruit much this year. Thanks. I don't think they're gonna fruit much this year, but they'll establish some good roots and be good for year 2. So, and then we've gone over the blueberry patch, but this is the update. You can see that they are budding. Let's get a little close up here. Not of me. Got some of the buds going on. We just put down some blueberry fertilizer. I do think these are different varieties because you can see on this one the buds are a bit more white, and then over here, if you come over and zoom in, they're more pinky. So yeah, excited to see how the blueberries come out. What else can I update you on? Let's go look at the growth of our chicks, shall we? Well, okay, I just wanted to make a quick stop to get over to the chicks because we have some peonies here, which is really exciting. I've never grown peonies and they're really pretty, so excited for that. So stay tuned on the peony flowers. Alright, let's go to the chicks. Alright, so from the last video, and if you haven't seen it, I will link it in the cards. The chicks have now migrated outside because they have gotten bigger, and we were a little scared that they were going to fly out of the bin and all around our kitchen. So we put them in the garage, and we just made this really quick, basically roof for them so that they don't fly out. So let's get a couple of them out and take a look. Alright, who's ready? Who is ready? You are. Calm down. Alright, so they are just over 2 weeks, well, not 2 weeks old. I think they were a couple days old when we got them. So we got them 2 weeks ago yesterday. And look how much bigger they are. I'll insert a little clip of me holding another one because they have grown so much, and you can see that their feathers are coming in. So this one here is a Rhode Island Red. This one, I believe, rules the roost. I believe this one is the dominant. We call her Rose because, like I said in the last video, we're naming them all after sitcom female characters, and she's got like a nice white patch on top of her head, and like Rose from the Golden Girls had really white hair. So this one's Rose, and I do believe that she is the alpha. Not positive, but woo, baby, flying everywhere. Okay, yeah, this one's Rose, and she's a Barred Rock. All right, let's get one more. I hope I can catch my favorite one. Her name is Frankie, and she's an Americana, and I think she's really beautiful. And she knows I'm coming for her. Come here, baby. You're my favorite. Don't tell the others. Alright, here's Frankie, which, if you need to know what character I'm referring to, it's Frankie Heck from the middle. So I find her to be really pretty and cute. And her feathers are really coming in, and she's becoming one of the bigger ones. They're all getting big though, so that's the chick update. We'll let you know when they get in the coop. It'll still probably be a few weeks. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next update.